Hey everyone, welcome back to Explodey FPS. Today we are taking a prostrating issue. A critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated in Valorant. If you have been struck with this error, I will show you a quick and effective solution to help it. Let's dive straight into it. First, let's address what many players are reporting: disabling Revert Unit Statistics Server or similar optimization tools. These tools are often used to monitor a limit frame rates, but they can conflict with certain games like Valorant. If you are unsure whether you have Riva Tuner or related tools like MSI Afterburner installed, check your system for them and disable them or uninstall them. For that, you need to click on the Windows icon, Control Panel, and then uninstall a program. Now find here the tool that you want and that you are looking for just right. Click on it and then click on Uninstall and follow the screen prompts. But in case if you don't find such software, you can temporarily disable unnecessary startup services by pressing Windows plus R key. Type here the msconfig and hit Enter. Now go into the services. Hide all Microsoft services. Now these services are related to your software that you are currently using with your operating system. As of now, the Battle.net, which is a service, background service, Battle.net, background service, then Battle iService, which is for Steam, PUBG PC, then Cloudflare var, and some different. So here you need to disable all these temporary. That's the better option. Just disable, hit apply, and then restart your PC. And then try it out. Might be this will solve your issue. I'm not going to restart it right now, just completing my tutorial. But in your case, you need to restart first and then follow the further steps. Right? This will solve your issue. Try to start your gameplay. If it's working, then there's something that conflicting with your game. So one by one, you can try and find out the service that conflicting with your gameplay. Next, clear your account data and shader caching. For shader caching, the easiest method is, guys, you need to just right-click on your operating system drive. Probably it's C drive, disk cleanup. And then what you need to do here, click on the system files once it is done. Now check the DirectX shader cache and each and everything from here, and then click on. Okay, this will solve your issue. Click on delete files and then wait until the process finish. Okay, I'm gonna minimize it over here. It's still working in the background. What we are gonna do here next, we will create the Valorant account information press Windows plus R key together. And this time, you need to type here the app data. And then go into the local. And then find here the Valorant, just press V key from your keyboard. You will get here the Valorant, just shift and delete. But make sure this will also log out your accounts. Valorant accounts. You need to log in once again after doing this. Try it out might be, this will solve your problem if bleeding cache doesn't work. Try restoring your system to a previous state, Windows plus S, and then this time you need to type here, the restore point. Now a lot of people's actually don't create restore point. In such cases, there's other options will helpful, but if there is, choose a restore point. In my case, I don't have. Even if we go over here, you can see the recommended one is showing over here. Otherwise, if you go choose a different restore point, there's 2 different restore point with date and time. So if your PC was working fine, then go with that specific date and time, and then click on Next. This will revert any recent changes, system changes without affecting your personal files. But in case no restore point, don't worry. Factory Reset Windows is another option that will helpful for you. Go into the setting and then Update and Security, and then Recovery option on the left side. And then you will see here the Reset this PC click on. Get started. Now there's 2 option. Keep my files, remove everything. We are going with remove apps and settings. But keep your personal files. This is the best option. Just click on that. This won't take long. And after this, it will ask you, like, how would you like to reinstall Windows using Cloud Window or local internet? If your internet is good, then go with the cloud download. It will re-download the Windows ISO file And then it's just like totally a fresh new updated window. But in case if you have a slow internet, you can go with the local reinstall. And for this, you don't need any internet. It will do all the steps automatically for you. Just follow the screen prompts and this will resolve your issue. This will reset Windows settings and remove install app, but keep your personal files intact. It's a useful way to fix stubborn issues. And that's it. Remember, many gamers unknowingly create problems by over-optimizing their PCs without understanding the risks. Always create a solid restore point before tweaking settings or install third-party tools like Riva, Tuner, or MSI Afterburner. Finally, if Valorant works fine for your friends but not for you, it's likely due to changes in your system configurations. Fine for your friends but not for you, it's likely due to changes in your system configurations. Look for optimization tools or recently updates that could be causing conflicts and disable them. If this guide helps you, make sure like and subscribe this YouTube channel. And I see you in next video. Till then, take care yourself. Bye-bye.